Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you that how you can get straight hair very easily with following some methods. We are going to tell you three methods for this, and all these methods are very easy and only contains natural ingredients which do not harm your hairs and give you shiny and black hairs too. So see the full video to get details about these methods. In the first method, you need only milk. Milk contains whey protein and casein in it, which helps to repair damaged hair as well as naturally straighten your hair. For this, it is highly recommended to use cow milk as it has better antioxidants which helps you do so. Use it at least 2 times in a week to wash your hair. The next method, you need banana, and one more ingredient is needed, that is honey. You have to make a pack to apply on your hair to naturally get straight hair. First of all, take a bowl and take half banana. You have to mash it with the help of a spoon like this. Now what you have to do is you have to add 2 spoon of honey in it. Mix both these ingredients well, and now your hair pack is ready. You have to apply it on your scalp and hair for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, and then you can wash it off with water. Use it twice a week to get naturally straight hair. In the third method, you need aloe vera. Aloe vera helps you promote hair growth as well as also makes your hair smooth and straight. You can also use it with your hair oil by mixing both these ingredients together in equal quantity. Apply it for minimum 35 minutes and then you can wash it off. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment.